Good news for zombie fans! Capcom finally teases a Resident Evil Requiem gameplay after months of frustrating silence. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. After teasing the reveal at Summer Game Fest 2025, Capcom has been maddeningly quiet about its latest action horror game. Until now. During a special Japanese TV broadcast, fans finally got a glimpse of Grace Ashcroft in action, taking down relentless zombies, spotted by leaker Aesthetic Gamer on X. For the first time, Grace can be seen firing a pistol at the zombies before being bitten and chased by another flesh-eating nightmare. Classic Resident Evil 2 vibes all over again. The footage shows Capcom clearly dialing up nostalgia while setting the stage for a terrifying return to Raccoon City. Fans starving for details may be thrilled, but the timing is odd, because why debut gameplay exclusively on Japanese TV months before the global launch? Capcom's mysterious marketing cycle has left many frustrated, especially with pre-orders already open and a February 27 release date around the corner. And the good thing is, this tease hints that the marketing dilemma might finally end. With the Game Awards 2025 set for December 11th and a full Resident Evil showcase confirmed for early 2026, fans can expect major reveals, including possibly new characters, story details, and extended gameplay very soon. While Capcom deserves credit for not spoiling the entire game, showing the same content for months feels like a tease too far. At least now zombie hunters have hope. Requiem secrets are slowly clawing their way into the spotlight, bringing a classic horror experience fans have been craving for years. Are you waiting for Resident Evil? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.